figure out a place that's hot around the town, somewhere where you can chill with all your friends. Cause when your dough is kinda low, ain't many places you can go to sit back, relax and chill and grab a meal. Oh, well, I know just how you feel.
I don't know to play anything.
Hello.
I'm not doing it.
Welcome everyone to the third match of the day. Who is playing here?
This tournament.
Zlatlan Pyramid versus Cheesy Gordita Crunch.
Cheesy Gordita Crunch.
You know, I could go for one of those right now.
You know, yeah, Ether, what does Gordita mean?
Is that a Taco Bell item?
Yeah.
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 Oh.
Dude, I was going to like get some food like a bit ago, but I remember I'm from Venezuela and I have no food.
Oh my.
I guess it's time to eat there.
No.
I'm just kidding. I do have food.
Can be worse.
Sometimes.
What do you mean sometimes?
Don't worry about it.
Venezuela is a fun country.
Yeah, we're rich.
Just have water. And then that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's enough.
I don't know so
But
much
then
player
I-
here.
But then I was forced to commentate here.
You're not forced. What do you mean?
Link twice if
No.
you're being held hostage.
I blinked twice, but you couldn't see it.
I cannot see you blink twice. I think you are not being held hostage.
I did
You're
it.
fine.
No.
You're
Boss
fine.
Lock is scary.
You're doing this on purpose. You just want to like help us commentate. That's so kind of you, by the way. Well, we're not even talking about the match.
Yeah, we have the first.
First protect going to
First
be
protect.
B24.
Yeah, and for the others, I think Team Red actually won the roles.
Fuego map.
Okay.
Oh, I think you protected the wrong map.
Wait.
Wait,
They wanna ban the Fuego map and they just like protect probably.
we protected the ban he was going to ban.
I did see that protect, and I was like, that's a weird protect from that team, but.
I guess
You know
if they're
what?
confident.
Oh wait, guys. I will protect you first. Man, my bad.
Insert.
Hello. Hello.
You know what is Gordita mean?
What?
Gordita meaning?
No.
Okay,
Tell me.
it's okay.
It should have a
I'm
meaning.
looking it up.
I don't know, it's okay, bro. No worries.
I'm looking it up.
I'm looking it up.
Yeah, I'm looking it up. It's
Word
something.
a thick pancake made from cornmeal.
Put that in
That's
Google.
not it.
Put that in Google. I'm probably gonna show you something weird.
Is it? Oh, it means I should say on stream.
Yeah.
Why?
Wait, I'm reading it. Yeah, I see it say something stuffed with cheese and meat and something else.
Yeah.
Can meaning like three things at the same time.
Wait, Kostaku, I'll DM you what I see.
Okay.
I probably can say this out loud, I just don't want to.
Yeah, that's the correct one. That's the Chilean one, I guess.
And is usually used as a term of endearment or affection. Oh, it's a nice one.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
We have the red one.
Sometimes.
The first red one is the accuracy to Jonah dance.
That makes sense, Which begs the question why they protected it with the low AR maps.
When you play Insert tomorrow?
I play in 2 hours.
In 2 hours.
Oh,
Yeah.
2 hours.
I'm not showing up.
Conclusion
playing?
they go to discover
No, you're not
from
playing.
protein.
Banning and protecting low enough. That's confidence.
That's confidence.
It's big.
They know what they
Psycho.
want.
Psychological warfare.
What are you talking about that Twisita? What is wrong with you?
Okay, B13 is going to be our first play of the match.
I forgot what is the B13.
It's
Speed.
It's just alt. It's just like a Nomad 3. Wait, no, V13. That's speed. I was looking at
B13 is speed.
Yeah, it is. I go Yoshi lover. Think of him
Yoshi
every time-
Lover!
I think of him every time I see this map.
I love Yoshi Lover.
Same. Hey, I'm just watching the Twitch stream. What am I doing?
You have the Discord stream. Are you
Yeah, I
trolling?
know.
No, we're boosting the viewer count.
But I'm just watching the Twitch stream and commentating what I see on that.
Yeah, you are going to be like 20-second delay.
They aren't ready. They
Okay,
aren't ready for my goat.
who's gonna win? What? Who?
Red team. Or
Oh
blue
my
team,
god,
guess.
I broke the stream. Oh my god.
Please make the window wider.
What? 1 second. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Is wait, which team is blue? Which team? Okay, red team is. Okay, I see. Yeah, yeah, red team's gonna win.
Is
I
you
go red Z.
you play like a thousand of tournaments and you didn't know yet what is the team of the left and the right? Okay, brother.
Dude,
What is
I'm looking at your overlay, and red team has the blue background, and blue team has the red background. Like, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you have to talk about it with Peppy, not me.
This is your fault.
Don't blame the developer, not the user.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, my goat red Z is gonna SS this map.
Damn.
Yeah.
I believe.
If red Z doesn't SS, I'm gonna go get breakfast.
Hey, that's not fair.
That's really unfair.
Well, don't
Remember that you're
worry,
being held hostage.
See,
I'll be back in like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, well, he's not assessing.
Okay, you can go breakfast.
I'll be back in 15 minutes, and I'll be ready to commentate this amazing match between the
Okay.
top teams. Oh, he missed.
Oh,
Fair enough.
It's not coming back in 15 minutes. We're
Yes.
never seeing him again.
It's not gonna like. Trust.
yeah.
Anyway, red team or blue team finding 2 early misses, but Dolly also finding a miss, sending the back over. Okay, red team can't play this. For I am Bill. Okay.
Oh, drop for this team. Still very big combo for
One.
and Julia.
Is an FC from Aeon or not?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, he's still
yes, he's FCing.
It's V1, so the accuracy doesn't matter.
It's always a combo.
It's a combo game.
Yeah, blue team showing why they picked this with an FC as the third team of the map. Impressive.
Yeah, I mean, just one FC right now, since everyone missed on Team Red, would be like basically a win. Even right now, I think this will be actually enough. They can just keep steady and do fine.
I mean, the gap is 7 billion. What can you do?
Yeah,
Combo game.
We're gonna need another screen for the blue score team.
you know what? I'm gonna call it early. If this pick is over.
Oh, I didn't know. I think I thought it was still able to become a combo.
Oh wow, I thought.
Oh wait, no. Oh wait, no. Oh wait, no. Everyone on blue team fails, and red team doesn't.
He's gaming.
Is he me?
How much
You
PP is
is
that?
It probably isn't that much because it's OD7 actually. At least like less than you think it would be.
He's gonna FC with low accuracy, that's crazy.
That's crazy. But then
That's
there's
a low
That's
SSS.
An FC on this match would okay, well.
Okay, well,
never mind.
there's no FCC in match.
Still a good score from Agents.
No, I thought it was a pretty mid score. They didn't even FC.
Yeah, true.
That's true.
And it would be like, what are we doing? No.
An A rank.
93%.
It's an A rank.
I need to
right?
be.
Wait. They all got A ranks.
The art of double tapping. True.
That's so casual.
Dula also getting 8 mil with 98% though. 98 is quite good.
They would have been probably like a top scorer in score BT. Actually, no, 5 misses. Maybe not. Close enough though.
Give me like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Give him an hour.
I'll be back in the match.
Surely.
How many VOD have the channel? Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh?
How many
Ah,
how many videos do you have there?
I've downloaded it. I'm downloading the ones for rNR first, and then I'm gonna start doing like Suffer Cup and Chesapeake Bay Cup and stuff.
this looks painful.
Okay, they picked Subaki. The best aim map of the ball.
Rip mapping.
Annoying because it takes like forever to for Twitch to like actually give you the download.
Yeah. I've
It's like
downloaded
40%
all
answer.
results and round of 32 map will showcase so far.
Close enough.
So I'm gonna be here for a bit.
My guy Choke and Ball Torture, CVT.
CBT. CBT close beta.
Okay.
Out of Fister. First time that I see the name. Is this rank?
This
Yeah.
map?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a score on this. Will be my top play. Just
Trust.
Trust.
But we are heading into the QI section.
Oh, this team our last match. We got like terrible scores from Team
Yeah,
Red.
it's like 3 400Ks and like 3 200Ks.
Yeah, we like
easily.
90, like 89% accuracy, everyone. Right now, these looks are more solid though from both teams. As they're holding rather high accuracy, and it's quite close. Although a few misses coming from Team Red, that might be a little bit over for now, or for the first section. No,
Press the
team,
drop. Press the drop is the combo. Maybe an advantage for red team. As IMV is still holding the full combo right now.
yeah, still holding an FC, and the highest combo from Team Blue is only Agent 727, who has 230 combo. And the combo from I Am Bill going to help them a lot, as right now on armies from Crestive, the score lead is turning towards Team Red's favor, and by a lot. I mean, it's almost up to 100,000 score compared to what it was a little bit ago. And we're heading to the last section of the map, the last quarter. Team Red more specifically, is looking really comfortable in this, as he's still FCing, I think.
he's gaming.
He's gaming. Into the last KI. I mean, if he pulls his FC off, it will be pretty insane, I have to say. Rest defending armies means Agent 727 still holding his combo from earlier, and it doesn't really matter, as even Real has a supporting combo from out of Easter. And that's going to be the point actually. Really good score from Bill. I mean, an FC.
Oh my god, he got it.
96.5%
Got
accuracy.
it, right? He got it.
He got it.
It's a really impressive score, I guess. The map, to be honest, is really hard.
Yeah, the map is really difficult. I mean, those sliders look pretty easy to hit, but with the record, I'm guessing a lot of in general layman reading. Because there's so many, you can slider break in so many ways there. So he's pulling it off, and then he's taking the first point for Team Red as there's no break points yet. And now we're going towards Team Blue's pick, which is going to be B12. They didn't even let us look at the map well. Oh, sure.
Oh,
We are fine. We're fine. Surely determined client doesn't break.
sure.
There is like 0 chance it happens. Like, when have you seen determined client not work properly?
Oh, it never works properly. What do you mean? Give the 20 client a tech map.
We have to hope it doesn't break because that's the reason here for now.
Oh wait, okay, bro.
No, we have to say it breaks, so it like doesn't break. Because if you say it doesn't break, it like always breaks. Like does the opposite surely.
That go nowhere.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, it
wait.
worked. It worked.
It worked. It worked. It's off to a great start.
Oh yeah, we're chilling. We're chilling. It's fine. It's completely fine. Oh, we see a lot of mystery. Everyone in the lobby missing except for Cresty. Oh, and Cresty follows suit. Okay, so there's no more FCs, I guess, in the first 10 seconds. Everyone finding so many misses.
It just miss after miss.
Yeah. And this is a Scorby 1 map. So, wait, did anyone miss? I think those out of Easter and Red Sea misses were Bancho misses. Although, out of Easter didn't miss now. Red Sea, I think, had a Bancho miss. So it's not really crazy. And considering this Scorby 1, it's all about combo. We don't really care about the accuracy.
Yeah, right now it's a 3v2 for with the advantage for blue team.
Oh, I was barely gone for like 10 minutes. Like,
Oh, welcome.
I counted 30 minutes. I think that's cap.
Oh, just
Anyway.
a break. With the trade for auto wisdom, the advantage is still going to the red team.
Yes, Bian and Red Sea both have really good combos. I mean, Red Sea has almost 600, though finding a miss. Rest in peace, insert. I think.
No, never mind. We're back.
Yeah, I think someone took him into the deep back of the store and killed him. And though that miss from Red Sea, really unfortunate. He was the highest combo for Team Red, and now Team Blue are going to take the advantage as they're now building up this really insane lead.
Oh, Preston just
What? A double miss on Team Blue actually, and now built with 750 combo. It's going to be.
IMV is every good performance. Never mind. Sorry guys, I said too soon.
That's basically every combo gonna be low. I mean, out of history, still there with 500 combo. He's the highest one yet.
Yeah.
Although finding a miss, there's no more combos from anyone over in the entire lobby. So it's going to come down to the end part.
Yeah, a quarter left of the map. Still going to have a good chance for blue team to come back to score.
Yeah, but they're not getting any combos, and that's the main problem.
bad. I was wiping tea off my when I left.
It's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, but we are looking at 700,000 point gap right now.
Yeah, I think it's good. It's over for Team Blue. Team Red are going to take this point.
Yeah. There's no combos to really contest the score lead. Any combos
Yeah.
that they would have is being matched by Team Red.
And Corrective's client crashed.
Hooray!
Time to spam ping Bastaku. Can we go in stream channel and mass ping him?
Sorry.
Dude.
sorry. That was my alarm. That's my alarm. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's great.
Oh my god.
Because this guy.
This
Oh yeah.
really
Sorry,
well commentating.
I forgot that I had an alarm for 11:30. Anyway,
Anyway, breakpoint for the red team, and now it's going to be their breakthrough.
That's a really tough breakpoint to get as well as it was really close. I mean, 1 million score is basically nothing in Score V1. It's a bit more common for Team Blue and they would have gotten it quite easily. But it's actually going for Team Red and that's the first breakpoint.
miscount 1.
What?
Banned.
Oh my god!
It has its banned on the. Yeah.
It is banned.
He forgot.
You forgot.
Unfortunate. There isn't really any other high CS map in the pool either, so.
I mean, Fuego CS6, but and it was protected as well.
Okay,
So-
Yeah.
3-1-1.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are offering for
If
the
I'm them-
3-1-1.
Yeah, 1-1.
Oh, Gamma Knife time.
Come on.
Hang on. One of the speed maps of the pool.
The speed in question, it is 210.
Dude, that's
Okay.
speed. It's...
Merami said 180 BPM is speed. I believe him.
Hey, you know what? If he
I-
said it, who am I to disagree?
Yeah.
I'm completely.
We're talking about Merami. Then there's people that say speed starts at like T70.
The what?
Then there's the people who say speed starts at like T70.
That's a lie.
That's a lie. Speed starts at 150. Like right at the line where you don't need to alt anymore, and it's just like a stream.
I mean, to be fair, if the BPM of the song is faster than your heartbeat, it's going to be speed now.
Well, is it Armin Klein 3 crashed?
Expecting great things from Festive on this map.
If the Armin Klein, I think it's crashed.
And okay, we are back into the action.
And yeah, I'm Bill's client is gone. Can we mass ping Bastaku?
No, never
Oh,
mind.
he's back?
I think so.
Looks like it. Maybe.
I see a mouse moving.
Yeah, we had to restart. It's declined, that's like gone. So we're so bad though. It's fine.
Okay. We are officially back.
Like, it's not over, it's actually so back.
It's
Speed.
just a bunch of really
It's speed.
it's just
It's
a bunch
speed
of
now.
really weird awkward aim, and then there's like a speed section, and it goes back to same.
Okay, so
It's robot stop, but gamma knife.
But harder. It's robot stop, but harder.
okay, so we speed.
There's a lot of this, like sliders, the slider jumps.
Oh my god, I love slider. Press the complete the combo. It's now a 3v1 for the side of red team.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a good. Look at my hit map dance reactor.
Everybody.
Anyway, I am Bill, still at CX. But Justice and Spearmain are doing more than matching him right now. A combined combo.
They're trying to support Asian.
Oh,
Every,
and with that miss, Spoodermain and Justice are gonna bring it back really quickly.
really quick, yeah. And we are back into the slider jump thing. I love this part. Did you tell it?
We have these virus and actually Team Blade are struggling quite a bit right now as those misses from
Justice
them.
finds the miss though.
But so that's okay. Agent's still holding the combo very strong right now.
Yeah. And
So
still holding a
Superman?
really good combo.
Yeah, Spoodermain. This is relatively free combo as well.
Yeah. And he's just going to keep building this.
He does
When
find a
it is
drop.
broken. Yeah.
Presto's combo matches Red Z, so it's just the Justice Justice having 100 more combo. He's gonna keep that lead slowly growing.
Still 2/3 of the map left. Wow, nice.
Anyway, speed
Anyway.
part.
Speed.
The speed in question.
Okay.
Okay, auto
Missing
fist
on
are
nothing.
finally missed. Oh, it is speed, see?
Yeah,
Where's my speed?
Presto drops. Red Z drops. Justice
bro.
drops.
And no one can hit it. It's the hardest section in the game. I'm saying, like,
I'm Vil
I
drop.
will drop. It's only Asian holding the combo right now.
Well, who's over
he's
tapping?
double tapping. He's just missing.
No,
Auto
out of
Fister?
Fixer is double tapping.
Oh, what if there's double tapping? Yeah.
Yeah, he's definitely double tapping. It's
All
Diva.
right.
Anyway, only Spoodermain hitting that section.
What guy?
Scooterman?
This guy.
This is Colorado. Yeah, that is Scooterman, also known as Cinnamon Twist.
Cinnamon twist.
Come on, twist.
Dude,
Jeremiah.
One miss.
Goal.
Ezekiel.
Nice score, yeah.
Okay.
That's going to be a Muppet trade for both teams. Fuck, I can't speak. It's so fucking late in Vietnam. Oh my god.
What?
Rashid?
Oh, Rashi?
Yeah. Yeah.
Was it picked?
No.
Are you like...
Oh.
I hope
Oh,
they pick
okay.
it.
One can hope.
They should
not.
pick it.
I want to see Rush E or
I want to see V24.
I do want to see Fuego actually. It's a good map.
Yeah. That map was protected too. So I think we're gonna
Yeah,
see it
but-
this round.
Fuego.
Yeah, red team might pick it next, especially if they lose this, they'll want to get a point that they feel comfortable with.
They're just holding it. They're just holding it for emergency.
Or blue team could do Ultra Giga Chad move and pick the other team's protect.
That would be a
Oh! That
That
would
would
be such
be-
a trope, but think about the aura.
That'd be epic, I think.
Okay, it will be so trope, but like think about the aura bonus.
Yes. Now you look dumb if you lose the map, but if you win the map,
Okay,
Yeah.
but like at least you look like someone who's willing to take risks and go big.
no, but they pick speed instead.
B25.
Alright,
Okay,
we
this
got
is undouble tappable.
Einhard Joker.
Oh, this finally the real speed.
222. 222 is
Map
speed.
This one is speed.
Yeah,
I can
It
agree with
is.
that.
This is speed.
It's not a
This
speed.
is
Freedom Die. Oh my god.
If the song
Freedom Die.
sounds like a speed map, then it's a speed map. How about that? But
It's
if it
not-
sounds like Freedom Dive, if it sounds like a stream map, then it's a stream map.
It's not a speed map.
this is a speed map.
Insert, you can tapping.
Oh, I can't.
You can't.
Oh, yeah. I mean, well, hey, RNG can, and he also called it speed map. So
Yeah,
I
tap.
mean,
I'm not a speed player.
yeah, you are. Play everything, man.
You sign up for speed up. So
Did you see my team?
Watch.
I almost signed up to Speed Cup. I almost signed up.
My team is me and 3 other AIM players. Like
In the
none of
speed
us
cap.
play
In the speed cap.
in the speed code.
Oh my god. I wanna watch this team.
I should have signed up.
Who is? What is
I
it?
should
Speed
I
cap.
should sign up to this pickup just to throw.
Fine.
Speed. Good.
Isn't it like March?
Yeah.
Oh,
Shula, your SC of Einhard Joker was absolutely brilliant. You turned every challenge into a victory and set a blazing example for the rest of us. Keep that fire burning. Your skill and determination. Oh, like no,
No.
I copy pasta.
oh my
I'm
god.
watching Redzi and Jula on this map. Two speed players in the lobby.
Speed cap doesn't have any team registered yet. What the hell?
They do.
I can see the main sheet.
They're looking
You
at the wrong one
specifically
because
are locked out. They
There's
specifically
definitely-
locked you out of the sheet.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm trolling probably.
Anyway,
Yeah,
like
exactly.
this also just looks faster than Freedom Dive, even though it's the same BPM.
Yeah.
It's the song.
Yeah,
Speed
yeah,
players
it's
when they
song.
miss on aim.
Like, yeah. This is speed. Also,
I'm
Auto
sorry,
Fister
but
has- So
yeah.
Auto Fist, okay, well he missed, but he has 89% in dropping.
This kinda looks to me like tier 50 BPM. They surprised me that it's only tier 22.
No, right? It looks so fast.
It looks so much faster than like any tier
Yeah.
20 BPM map.
Anyway, this is the main difficulty. Justice finding a miss. Udermain finding a miss. It's just Redzi versus
Redzi
Jula.
finds a miss.
Redzi misses.
It's
And I
just
lost.
a Jula.
Oh,
Probably you feel this map more faster than the other one because of the ER. Probably. It's 9.8.
I mean, even the streams felt faster. I feel like
Yeah.
the stream shouldn't really matter that much by AR. The aim does feel faster, probably just because of the AR double. Like now we're heading to the last section of the Japan. I mean, Team Red right now they need
drop.
combos.
I'm Bill's matching, but Jula finds a drop as well.
No, that was a bunch of miss.
Bencho. Oh, never mind.
Oh, never mind.
I
I'm
think
Bill and Agent Trade. It's just Redzi versus Jula, but that Jula needs to drop like right now, and Redzi needs to hold the rest of the map.
I don't think
Redzi's
Redzi's
gonna go to
I
the
don't
top.
think it would matter.
Yeah, GG's.
Yeah, no, there's enough.
I mean, a really solid pick from them.
All right.
It's not a breakpoint yet, so we still be with hopes to have a tiebreaker. Oh, the last one wasn't a breakpoint, but oh my god. We back to the normally, actually.
Yeah.
Back to your regularly scheduled OSU tournament.
Yuppie.
Yep.
All right, the first VOD is almost done uploading to YouTube.
I do too.
Got Abner K-Doodle versus Red Hot Shit uploaded first.
Wait, that's me.
Yeah. It's your match last week.
I think for no
No
reason from now on,
mod.
I would say hi YouTube on every stream.
Match
Oh yeah, you have to start saying hi YouTube.
Steam happy.
So what can we expect from Red Team for this play? We do 4, right?
I think it's a possibility.
If I'm them, I'm definitely picking it. After losing 2 picks in a row, and I feel a lot more confident in picking my pick than anything else.
Yeah.
Especially because if they lose their next pick, then blue team will be on match point and can just close it out with, like Act 1, which is more speed.
Yeah. Nobody's
B2-3.
going to be B2-3.
Yeah.
What I am reading, brother.
Huh?
Look at the message on the chat.
Team, we're now at 3-2. What an incredible turnaround. Every play, every move has brought us here, and it's a true testament to our spirit and resilience. Let's keep the momentum and finish strong together. We've got this.
Let me ask ChatGPT some tips to commentate an old tournament.
Okay, chat.
You get the ChatGPT OSU tournaments good.
Okay, right.
This is the past one.
How can I commentate an old tournament? Let's see what it says.
I know 2 words to get banned. Insta-ban.
Don't say it. Don't say those 2 words.
I can say it. I'm South
Don't do it.
American.
Don't do it. No. No, you can't. You can't on stream at least.
Wait. Engage with the audience. You need to explain terminology. We need to explain what an FC is, what a miss is, what a spinner is. We need to for new viewers, you know?
Okay,
So-
That's
guys.
what ChatGPT is saying.
So
Okay, guys,
basically,
so-
an FC
yeah.
is when you don't miss. You don't miss a single note, and you don't break combo once. So,
Yeah.
so FC actually stands for full combo, meaning that you didn't miss.
Yeah, you got the entire combo. Not only one part of the combo, you got the entire combo.
Yes.
Okay, interact with the chat. Chat is completely dead. I don't think we can interact
Yeah,
with
chat's dead. Chat is dead.
Okay. Collaborate with others, commentators. Okay, we're fine. We have the best. We have the best
that.
commentary.
We
Let
have
me
that.
just drop it. Let me just drop this on the.
Quest of
on the
finding a
streaming
miss on the
channel.
second circle. Just wanted to
Okay.
point that one out. Quest of miss.
I'm dropping this in the streaming channel for any people who need recommendations on commentating.
Plus, this also finding an early miss, which shouldn't matter too
Yeah.
much. Also,
Yeah, we have
also,
that.
blue team has been finding early misses the entire match, and then just hitting really good combos in the middle. So.
Yeah. I mean, it's so early, doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Even though Justice found a miss, I mean, look at they still have a small lead.
Yeah, Betsy with the 94% is really capping his score right now.
Yeah. The other team players, I mean, Bill is right now at 99.6% accuracy, the highest one in the lobby, and by far.
Oh, but
Cresty fight
that miss from Prestive will matter.
Yeah, that will actually matter as we're slightly deep into the map. I mean, we're one quarter in, and right now you want as much combo as you need.
So I think we're watching a 3v4 right now.
Watching a 3v4.
I haven't seen any other players except these on Team Red, and I feel like I've been seeing only these players on Team Blue, but I saw one other person in format for them.
Oh yeah, we are seeing the same people every single time. That's true.
Yeah.
Also,
Anyway,
talking about the match, do you miss something Red?
Justice versus Redzy. Redzy having no act, but the combos carrying.
I mean, even Justice isn't allowed though. Restive has a small following combo.
Yeah. Injustice is... Oh, and Redzy finds a miss on nothing. Gonna shoot the lead over to the blue team.
Cresty also 5 break, but it's not going to be that impactful.
As long as Justice holds, it won't matter.
Yeah, and he's holding it. I mean, right now we're halfway through the map and he's still holding this combo. He's not F-Sync, he missed once at the beginning, which is really tough. But I mean, it doesn't really matter, as he's only missing like 30 combo for an FC. FC is standing for full combo.
Dude, oh my god.
And right now, he is not on an FC, which means full combo, by the way.
You need to explain for the new viewers, you know? I mean, do you look at the screen?
I mean, look, there's a new guy in chat.
Commentating guy?
There's a new guy in chat. Maybe he didn't
Alright.
know. Maybe he didn't know what FC is.
FC stands for full combo.
I mean, look at the streaming channel. I
that's
left the
fine,
commentating
miss.
guy. Oh,
Oh yeah,
Clean.
here, I'll read it out in full right now.
I'm dying.
Commentating an OSU tournament can be fun and a rewarding experience, but it requires preparation, game knowledge, and the ability to engage your audience.
Okay.
Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Number
Okay.
one.
Pay probably $20.
This is what AI was meant for.
yeah, yeah, the
Wait.
purpose of AI.
Wait,
Hold on, auto
I just-
pistol's combo. Like, score is still increasing though,
touch
slightly.
it.
Oh.
Yeah, there's not much time left for red team to come back for this.
It's just off of that early combo from Justice.
Yeah.
Here, wait, I can post the whole thing. If anyone wants to peruse in the Twitch chat. There you go. Oh wait, no, there's a where does the
You can't. There's like a character limit.
where does it run out? Is the real question.
It's
Where's the
5. It
ADT?
says that it
it's
says
the
it's a
DT.
character limit of 500. It's 500 character limit.
DT, comma, etc. I'm gonna go here. Spectat
Expect
2.
that.
Spectat.
Does it get to 3 yet? Gameplay feed.
No, it
This
gets
is
on
gonna be
the.
so long to copy paste.
No, it's fine. I
no, it
got
gets to
you.
the- yeah. Okay. Now you guys to.
Hype and energy.
Player ages
Yeah,
at
it's hiding
300
intense
on
moment.
China.
Okay, that's on 3.
Yeah. Oh. 5.
Why?
Watch other commentators.
Yeah, that's how you
Handle
learn.
mistakes gracefully.
I'm learning
say
stuff,
that?
guys. I'm learning stuff. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, it says on seats.
This is happening with
Common.
my How does every time I
2
commentate a
corners.
match, it just devolves into anything but commentary? My cursed.
Oh. Fully
Oh,
zero.
foolish hero.
Two corners.
Not picking Act 1 actually, surprising.
There you go.
There we go. There's a commentating guy in
3,
chat.
4,
if you guys
5,
need
6,
it.
7.
Night boy. Night. This is like the. Right, I don't want to say this is like the most educational also stream ever. I think.
Yeah, I think I like this one.
Anyway, red team has their work cut out for them if they wanna win. Oh my god, there's more chat GPT in the OC chat. Hopefully this isn't the last page. of Agent's story.
Oh shit, I need to ref a match in 5 minutes. Okay.
I mean, yeah, you can fight. Okay, we are going into Miss Kazu, probably the last map of the match.
Oh. Counting red team out already?
I said maybe, okay? It's hypothetically.
I mean, Red Team and Auto Fistor I've already found misses, so... Could have been title breaks, I guess, but... Ooh.
Holy shit, though. Yeah, trade by Questive though. And just did.
I don't think Justice Slider broke, and I think Crescent did too. Won't matter. Anyway, big chain misses are what you don't want to see here. As I say that, Auto Fistor finds a chain miss.
And I will go to fight break right before the KI session. And Red Sea also breaks. Guys, I don't want to say it, but it might be over right now.
Yeah, it might be a little bit over. I think it's good.
Yeah, constant chain missing from Red Team. They just have way more misses than
Red
Blue
Team is
Team. And with
holding.
that,
Red Team is holding.
again, okay, everyone misses there.
The Asian is the last circle.
Yeah, GG.
All right, yeah,
GG.
18, 9, and 7.
No
Those are
math
GGs.
required.
That's GG.
Yep.
We will not
I
be seeing
mean-
Fuego today, which is unlucky. Does that mean that Insert will be picking it in the Abner K Doodle versus
King what?
aren't you? Who are you guys playing?
Bossy Man.
Oh, yeah, you should pick it.
Oh, well, there is another match right now.
Yeah, there is another match. Which I believe I have to take over.
We wanna switch the streamer, so
Okay,
Okay.
Yeah.
I also gotta go.
I can stay here.
I gotta
you.
warm up my match.
thank you everyone for watching and see you in the next match
In 2 minutes.
Yeah.
in 2 minutes.
In 2 minutes.